Okay, sorry if I get your guys' names really badly wrong. I will try my best. Here we go. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are team number 5, and we are composed of Alex Kang, we have Hagop Menetekanyan, Carlos Oliveira, Michael Guerrero, and Emiliani Castro. And today we're here to present to you how to purchase a car and get the most bang for your buck. So here we go. So to outline our project, the guidelines that we had to follow were we had to create a character, and this character is looking to purchase a luxury car who happens to also have a gross annual income of $125,000. He must choose between 2 different cars, each car being made by 2 different manufacturers. The price range for each of the cars must fall between the range of $50,000 and $70,000. And on that first initial day when he purchases the car, he must put down a $10,000 down payment. So just to explain our buyer, he is a 35-year-old single male. He lives in a 1-bathroom studio in Los Angeles. Very important information, and we'll go over that why in a moment throughout the rest of the presentation. He has chosen the career path as an engineer, which is why he makes so much money. And this is his first time purchasing a luxury car. He's never had an accident. He has perfect credit score. And this car will be used mainly for pleasure. This car, also being said, he will own it for 5 years before selling it off. So the life of this car, 5 years. So the 2 cars he's actually split between are the 2015 Corvette Stingray and the Alfa Romeo 4C. And the Corvette Stingray actually has a price of $61,000, but plus tax it comes out to $66,490 with the and when pulling after taking out that $10,000 down payment, the price comes out to $56,490. The loan that he will be pulling out will have a life of 60 months, and over time, we'll explain why this number exists later in the presentation, but his monthly payments will come out to $1,060.05. This is also taking into account that the sales tax is 9%, and the interest rate APR is 2.49%. Now again, for car number 2, the 2015 Alfa Romeo 4-cylinder, that's the second car, and it is priced at $56,553. Plus tax comes out to $61,642 minus that $10,000 down payment. He is down to $51,642, and over those 60 months, each monthly payment will come out to $969.06. So just a few features on each of the cars. The 2015 Corvette Stingray, some of these actual aspects will play key factors into how much money he will be paying over the lifetime of owning the car. The EPA comes out to 16 city, 29 highway miles per gallon. This car can go from 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. It has max 460 horsepower. It's been clocked at a top speed of 181 miles per hour. It is a 2-door coupe with a gas V8 engine. It is rear-wheel drive. It has a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty. And it has won the Car and Driver's Best Sports Car Award. For the 2015 Alfa Romeo 4C, it has a 24 city, 34 highway miles per gallon EPA. It can go from 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. Has 237 horsepower. Has been clocked at 158 miles per hour as a top speed. Also a 2-door coupe. The engine type on it is an inline 4. Also a rear-wheel drive vehicle. It has a 2-year and 30,000-mile warranty, and it has won the Sports Authority's Best Performance and Luxury Car Award. So, when it comes to registration fees, I mentioned earlier, it is important where our character lives based on county and state. There are different fees that you pay as you pay for registration fees. So in our example, in the state of California and the county of Los Angeles, everything you see in black is basically all the different breakup of fees that are included when you pay for your registration. So from current registration all the way down to reflectorized license plate fee, all those items are required by the state of California and within the county of Los Angeles. And then as you see right there at the bottom, that last black font item, it's the current vehicle license fee. This fee is 0.65% of the original price of the vehicle. So if we actually take, for the example, the 2015 Corvette Stingray, if you take that $61,000 original price, multiply it by 0.65%, you end up with $397. And then for that specific fee, if you take all the different black items that are black fonted items that are listed, add them up, you will actually get a total of $498 for the Corvette Stingray. And that is the total amount for the registration fee for 1 year. And since this car will be owned for 5 years, and the state of California requires that you renew your registration annually, once a year, and since he's having this car for 5 years, he will renew it 5 times, which comes out to a total of $2,490 for the entire 5 years of owning the Corvette Stingray. Now, if you choose the Alfa Romeo 4C, again, 0.65% of its original price, which is $56,553, comes out to $367. Add on all those extra fees, it becomes a total of $468 for that 1 year, and times that by 5 years, since you will have it for 5 years, it comes out to $2,340 for those entire 5-year life, for that entire 5-year life. Now, one of the main chunks that he will actually have to consider when purchasing or deciding which car to purchase is the cost of gas. Now, going off of the statistic that we found and researched, on average, every single person drives approximately 13,346 miles per year, statistically. So when it comes to the 2015 Corvette Stingray, it has an average overall EPA of 22.5 miles per gallon. That's a combination of both city and highway. And using that number along with on average, how much a person drives a year, if you take that, you can actually solve the amount of gallons per year he would be using. So 13,346 miles per year divided by 22.5 miles per gallon, that comes out to $593.15 or $593.15. $593.15 gallons per year. Now, if you take that number and plus this number that we also researched online, where apparently the average price for premium gas in California is $3.30. So 593.15 gallons times $3.30 comes out to $1,957.41 per year. But again, since it is a 5-year life, you take that per year number, multiply it by 5, and you end up with $9,787.05. For the Alfa Romeo C, same exact formula. For the cost of gas for 1 year, it comes out to $1,518.69, and then for the entire 5 years, it comes out to $7,593.45.